Assalamualaikum. My name is Naeem Abbas. I am from Labs Binyameen campus. Today I deliver a lecture, page number 17, arrange in ascending order. Ascending orders, you can write the value in order of the smaller to bigger value. For example, part A 49603,298, then 49630 and 9828 and 49613,829. First you write the smaller value, the 49603 comma 298 already smaller value. Then you write 49613,829. Then you write at the last 49630,928. Then write the successor. Already मैं आपको बता चुका हूँ कि successor value mean then add the one real value. For example, 43599 and 999. Then you add the one, it become 436000 and then 000. Skip counting. Skip counting 100. Write number in the blanks, just like I solved there now. 19643,298. Skip 100. If skip 10, then you add the 10. If skip the 100, then add the 10. For example, 19643,298, then 19643,398, then add more 100, then add more 100, then more 100.